How to access system files with Python. Have you ever wondered how to access system files using Python? If you are looking to automate tasks or manage files, you are in the right place. Let's break down the steps to make this process simple and effective. To begin, Python has some built-in modules that are essential for file operations. You will primarily use the operating system module, the Pathlib module, and the built-in open function. These tools help you navigate directories, list files, and read or write file contents, making automation and scripting straightforward. First, it is important to know about the current working directory, which is the folder where your Python script is running. You can find this out by using the command os getcould. If you need to change to a different directory, you can do so with os chdir path, where path is the directory you want to switch to. Next, if you want to see what files and folders are in a specific directory, you can use os listdir path. This command will give you a list of all entries in that directory. To make sure your paths work across different operating systems, combine directory and file names with os path join. Alternatively, you can use os scandir or pathlib path iterdir to get more detailed information about each file, which can be helpful for filtering or checking file types. Once you have identified the file you want to work with, you can open it using the open function. This function requires the file name or full path and an access mode. For example, to read a file, you would use open, example, txt, r. This opens the file for reading. When you have the file open, you can read its contents using methods like read, readline, or readlines. If you want to write data to the file, you can use write or writelines. Remember to close the file after you are done using close. A better practice is to use a with statement, which automatically closes the file when you are finished. For more advanced file operations, the os and shutl modules provide functions to move, copy, renames, or delete files and directories. This allows you to automate more complex file management tasks. To summarize the steps for accessing system files with Python: 1. Use os getcould and os chdir to navigate the file system. To list directory contents with os listdir, os scandir, or pathlib path iterdir. 3. Safely construct file paths with os path join. For open files with open, and specify the mode. 5. Read or write files using the file object methods. 6. Close files properly or use with for automatic handling. 7. Use os and shutl modules for file and directory operations like moving, copying, or deleting. This approach will help you automate file and system tasks efficiently using Python.